Hello and welcome. In this tutorial, we will explore how to use the destroy function in Unity to remove game objects and components dynamically. What is destroy in Unity? In Unity, the destroy function is used to remove game objects, components, or assets from the scene during runtime. It helps manage memory efficiently and optimize performance by eliminating unnecessary objects. Why use destroy? Performance optimization? Removing unused objects prevents memory leaks and improves FPS. Game mechanics? Useful for removing bullets, enemies, or temporary effects. Scene management? Keeps the scene clean and prevents clutter from unused objects. The usage of the destroy function is very simple. In Unity, the destroy function is used to remove game objects, components, or assets from the scene. It is commonly used to delete objects after a certain event, such as an enemy being defeated or an effect finishing. In this scene, we have a cube object. Our goal is to make it disappear 5 seconds after the game starts. To do this, we write the following script. As you can see, the object was removed from the scene using the destroy function. Now, we're going to take our destroy function one step further. Instead of deleting the object immediately, we will first add a rigid body component to it, and finally access it from the code and destroy the rigid body component from our object. We access the rigid body using getComponent and then remove it. Let's test it out. First, we'll access the rigid body using getComponent, and then we'll remove it to see the effect in our scene. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.